Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play ranked in Street Fighter 6. To begin your journey, navigate to the Fighting Ground menu from the main hub. From there, select Ranked Match to enter the competitive queue. You will then play 10 placement matches, which are crucial for determining your starting league. These matches assess your skill level and place you appropriately among other fighters. It's an exciting way to challenge yourself and see how you stack up. Street Fighter 6 features a comprehensive ranking system designed to match you with similarly skilled opponents. You'll progress through 8 leagues, starting from Rookie and ascending to Master. Each league, except Master, has 5 tiers, and you earn league points for every victory. Accumulating enough points promotes you to the next tier or league. Conversely, losing matches will deduct points, so consistent performance is key to climbing the ranks. To truly excel in ranked play, focus on mastering a select few characters. Deep understanding of their moves, strengths, and weaknesses is vital. Dedicate time to learning common matchups, anticipating what your opponents might do, and how to counter their attacks effectively. Consistent practice of your fundamental combos and defensive options in the training room will build muscle memory, allowing you to execute under pressure during intense matches. Finally, a crucial aspect of improving in ranked is maintaining a positive and analytical mindset. Every loss offers valuable lessons. Review your replays to pinpoint mistakes and areas for improvement. The game's built-in replay feature is an invaluable tool for this. Remember to take short breaks if you find yourself getting frustrated or fatigued. Stepping away for a few minutes can help clear your head and keep your focus sharp for your next battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.